Well, today I will talk about our return, the installation of the roof rack in our return series. First, after removing the original cover plate, remove these 4 screws. 4 screws. Then there are 2 holes below. Then use the original screws to fix it firmly and tighten it. Then tighten these 4 screws. Tighten them directly. One detail is that if you have bought this the extended skateboard, you need to fix the skateboard in this position. In the same way, just fix it. If you don't buy the extended slide rail, you can ignore it. You can use these 2 holes and install it. Tighten it. Then take out the clamp. The clamp can be directly fixed on our sliding plate because this screw has been installed for you. Then there is one detail that if you need to install a light stand, after installing the light stand here, there are 2 screw holes at the bottom. Then use the screws in our packaging. The M6, M8, which is shorter, screw to tighten it. I won't demonstrate this to you. It's very simple. Just tighten it. Fix it tightly from these 2 places. Then, our latch. This bolt is inserted from the outside. Insert it. It can also be installed in this position. If you have installed the lamp board, it can also be installed in this position. If you install it in this position, we provide 2 round-headed screws. Only the head of this screw is round. You can take a look, it's round. Then we can tighten the screw. If you are installing different lamps, you can first connect this thing. Connect the lamp board to the lamp. After connecting them, then fix it to the lamp board. Then adjust it to the appropriate position, and then fix this clamp to the fixture. Then, for the step of installing the rain shower branch line, we need to remove the rain shower branch, the last screw of the rain shower branch, in the direction of the diagonal upper side direction, and install it in the hole. After installing it in the hole, take out the screw bag inside. The longer screw, this flat-headed screw, fix it. Just tighten it directly. After tightening, if you have bought the long one, friends who have this slide rail can. It must be on the outermost side. Then, if you didn't buy the long one and the slide rail, it's on the innermost side. So we need to first insert the bolt into this place. First, insert the bolt and the rain branch line. After inserting it, we align the rain branch line. Align it with the screw hole, and then screw in the only white screw on. When tightening this screw, everyone should pay attention to a detail. Don't keep screwing it. If you clamp it with a wrench and use a lot of force to twist it, just tighten it a little bit. It won't fall off. If you use too much force to screw it, it will easily tear off, so after you tighten it slightly and feel it's a little tight, this force is actually enough. And now, as for us, now that it's already installed, let me add another detail to you. That is, our rain shower. The branch connection block. There is no notch in this direction, but the inside has a notch, because in this way it is convenient for everyone to plug and unplug the rain branch line.